right, Jesse here, Supernova Design Company. We are starting a new plan today, an accountability project. This is because things have been difficult and execution has been crappy. So we want to up the accountability. So every morning we're going to write down what we're going to do that day. We're going to do it, and at the end of the day we're going to check in. And we're going to post every single day for the next 8 weeks. Try and get things moving, try and get out of this funk that we've been in. And that is it. We will get back. Right now we're dropping off my camera person. Say hi, camera person.
Hello.
At school. And then when we get back, we'll get our second camera person off onto the bus, and then we'll sit down and talk about what we're going to do today. All right, let's make this work. Peace. All right, here we are in the gym. Gonna get our workout on. What we're doing is this guy here. I don't know if you can see that. So we just got 10 little exercises we're doing each one for a minute, and that's it. I'm trying to do atomic habit, low energy barrier. All right, 12 minutes later, that guy's done. I would go take a shower and get cleaning up on the shop. Yeah, I'm not gonna ramble. Let's go. All right, headed to the shop. Gonna do some cleanup, get ready for when the new caps come in. Figure out if there's anything else we could do. We got all the wood stuff and all the metal stuff cut, and holes drilled, etc. So what's left now is cleaning up and getting the caps, getting everything assembled. Let's turn the shop light on. I'll show you what's going on in here. Ta-da! All right. Big mess. We got a bit of cleaning up to do. Our boards for the kitchen racks are over there. We got a couple of the metal pieces here and here. We do actually got to clean up the top now that I think about it. And corner brackets are, here's one of them. Ta-da! And here's some washers that we are figuring out. Well, you can call it struggling. Oh, here's the other one. So pretty. Those are there for now. So we're working on welding the little caps that go in. They look kind of like this, but you can see this one, not along with being a little crooked, is a little bit burnt because the outer diameter of the rod is quite a bit smaller than the inner diameter of that washer, so we got to find some washers that fit very close, probably within a couple thousandths. Otherwise you got to put too much heat, and I'm out of practice on the TIG, and I am out of practice on the TIG. We got the workshop cleaned up. One thing we haven't got really done is the washers are organized there. Oldest daughter's working on cleaning out another drawer and organizing the rest of the washers, and so that'll be done. So another check mark on the done list today. Had a bit of a 3-hour interruption for a meeting with the wife, which went okay, no surprises, making progress on that front. And that's it. We'll probably close this up today. What we didn't get done was auditing the current to-do list and seeing what we can remove and focus on, or what we need to work on next. So probably do that tomorrow or Sunday or tonight. But I'm gonna wrap this up for today. Have a good one.